Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So finally we have launched passive income breakthrough app for you. This is our app. When you open app, you will find the main index 21 ways of passive income breakthrough, where you can have these income ways earn passively with FutureNet: passive income by blogging, affiliate marketing, key source of online income, sell on eBay, health and fitness affiliate program. You can make money on YouTube. All the six ways of YouTube. Make money with ebooks. You can sell ebooks online. Internet marketing funnels. Make money by selling online courses such as Udemy and other teachery, etc. Make money with e-commerce, Shopify, etc. Make money by selling audiobooks. Make money with freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour. Earn passively with mobile apps like I say apps. The developer of this app is doing selling mobile app source codes on Flippa, Coaster, Chupa Mobile, Sell My App, etc. Make money with hostings, WordPress hosting, Bluehost, GoDaddy as an affiliate. Make money with ConvertKit, or and ultimately achieve financial freedom. What is the purpose of this app? To help you get to the financial freedom by adding more than one income source along with what you're doing. Thank you very much. This is our app. I hope you like it.